Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you're welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe if you don't watch this video finish, and not forget to hit the notification bell. Now that one going to bring message on your phone anytime when I upload new video. Now you will be the first person who will just get that message. Yes, the matter when it bring me come here today, I believe say most of us we don't know what I want to talk now, because now we don't see the title of this video. Now about Vera and her 5 children when she abandoned for Nigeria. In short, the video don't go round. Many people don't talk for the matter. I don't see many things when people they talk. Say some join Vera, some say Vera doing well, some say he not doing well. But most of the people when they talk say Vera doing well. I see and say most of them now women. My people, maybe they talk through sometimes. If we see black, maybe we know they call them white. If we see black, make we no dey call am white. Make we dey talk things the way we be. Make we no dey talk things the way we feel say e go favor the other person. Vera dey abroad here, e children dey Africa there, they dey suffer. Me, I no support am as a mother. I no know for you. If I don't do this video finish, you sef get right to still talk wetin you think without insult o. I know say some people when you talk say make dem talk their opinion. Many people dey wey no know the difference between opinion and to the insult. Some people na to the insult, na that one they think say it be their opinion. So if Vera dey for abroad there and the papa dey for ex-husband dey for Africa with those 5 children, many people talk say Vera no abandon those children because they get papa. Say na their papa responsibility to take care of those children. Yes, that one I not argue am. Now papa responsibility to provide for the family. Even the Bible self it talk and say a man that cannot take care of his household is worse than an infidel. Yes, but it not be seen. The Bible not talk and say if it be seen that the woman I get upper hand pass, or say that the woman be the breadwinner, he can't they provide for the family, say na bad thing. If it be say financially the man they down at the moment, me I not look and say sin. And moreover, if we say we still talk the matter again as it be, these children when they talk so the man, their papa no cry come and say Vera no help and say Vera no carry money give am or Vera abandon am. Now the children when Vera born with the belle now then cry come and talk say their mama abandon them. Maybe hand don't they meet them. Maybe not be even now said this video for don't come out. Maybe the children don't get opportunity to take bring this thing come out. All this why the way me I think am. But what they read they pay me for his side. People when they make this comment they talk say Vera don't aware, say not be Vera responsibility. If you don't say not take care of the children, now because say the man, you don't like the man, because the man an old man, the time when she dey young, now she married the man. And so what? Not be new thing. Many people they marry old man and young when they attend that when they dey very young. Now not be new thing. Yes, she get right to talk say this man, she don't open eye and he don't like this man again because not be willingly she first stay married that man. Yes, she get right. But we are talking of the children here, not the man who they talk. If he can't be say he don't like that man again, or he can't be like say he gain his freedom because this one not be the man when he take him mind marry, then that one can't give him that one an excuse for him to talk say the children when be saying carry for a belly. When all of us know how to carry pikin the first 3 months if you they conceive, you know what the woman they pass through. Every woman know what the woman they pass through for that early age, early pregnancy. You will come born 1, you born 2, you born 3, you born 4, you can't born 5, can't fit born 5. Then these 5 children, you say you don't get anything to do with them just because say you don't like their papa again. If these children they grow up tomorrow, then they can't get that mindset how the world will take grow. Vera therefore abroad for here. No matter the condition when Vera dey, she still get upper hand past that man when he dey for Nigeria. They talk say the man, the video I watch and finish, the man they come see the children once in a while. Maybe waiting he gets more thing when he get he go give them. Probably the man will don't even start his life with another woman self. He just only come they see the children because the children now they live with their granny and they not the old. Just think of the fate of those children. Vera will sleep peacefully, he go eat peacefully, he go wear good clothes. Then these children go dey Africa. When you know say these children are from his own belly, na his own blood, then she go sleep peacefully. And people will still come here, they tell me say she do am well, they don't see anything they wrong with wetin Vera they do. People when they tell Vera say this thing when you do so, he do am well. if I may ask, if you are a mother or you are a father, you dey support vera say this thing when you do am well, you go fit do am, you go fit abandon your children. Any woman when e talk say you go fit abandon im children for any circumstance, you go know say that woman e head not correct. E head not correct, because not be everybody when you see say get pikin, not be really want that pikin. Not be everybody when really see say na carry that pikin for belle, not be really want that pikin. Not be all of them their head correct. The children when Vera dey with for Germany for there now, these 3 children when come born now, that means if the occasion still warrant, say the opportunity still come, e go still fit abandon them, because if you fit do unto these children, this one na in first blood, e go fit still do unto them. That's if the opportunity come. Because the way me I see things now, it be like say those children when e dey for Germany with am, e get benefit when they get with them. Now make am those children, it be like say e like them well. This one they dey Nigeria now, they not get anything to offer. If now woman really when they reason well, because this Vera case not be the first time when we don't dey see and say many people when it dey for uptown here say they get children for house before. Many women they when we say they get children for house, they will come here start and like yes we know say now not be new thing, we know say they happen, but most of them when me I don't see they struggle how they will fit bring their children. If Vera na person be say maybe he reason well, when he come this country, God can't give am the opportunity. He say he don't like that man. God can't give am opportunity. He can't come this country. Probably as this Vera they enter this country now, so the children they happy say their life don't better. Say as their mama don't fit enter here, all their suffer don't finish. If even see be say now suffer na part of the things when still make Vera still leave the old man, we don't know. If he say go say now you old pass and well, now you self no still get money, now you no fit provide for the family. Then before you come find way enter road, say they come abroad. We don't know that one. But when we remember say this man not cry come out. Now the children, now then cry come out. Before these children will cry come out, maybe hand don't meet them well. Maybe they don't see opportunity self even to come social media all this why, because they know on social media now it be the fastest way to pass message now. Maybe now they can't even get the opportunity, they can't be happy. When I see the video, I say now person picking now they live, even though not a person when they stay Africa, not to talk of person when they say their mama dey for abroad. That is me as a mother, I no go feed one. You go eat peacefully, sleep peacefully, wear good clothes. You no go even think of these children. Not be say these children say they don't grow now, say they go fit to run around for themselves. They are still tender. Even though say the grown up one went there for inside, it no grow well just because of say maybe now because of circumstance, the no good caring, no good attention. Now it make can be like that. See the small girl, see the small see those children as they still even find safe. Even though say they still they pass through all this kind of hardship, they still find like that. Don't tell you now, find children. Children are blessing. Not be only money be blessing. Many people they look say now only money be blessing. This now children when be say, you know how many couples when they for this world when they pray to God, when they don't pass through ups and down, day and night, just make God bless them with only one. Not be 5 at the talk now. That person go get 5. He go abandon her. It be like person when he kick God for good. 5 children, healthy children like this. Then some women still come out, still get mind, see they support Vera say he do this thing well. Anyhow when Vera say they live for that Germany or anywhere, any situation when they live, now she still get upper hand past that man. Now she still get more opportunity pass to take help those children if she really wants. Now in children, nothing is too small. Anything when they give them, they go appreciate them because now they are now in children. Not be saying that person when they help them for outside. Anything when you give them, when you tell them, they go appreciate them. If woman get upper hand, no consign her, if he take care of his children, not be her responsibility. That time when we dey Africa, nobody when go talk say no experience this thing. Most of us, even though not be everybody, 90% of us will go experience her when we dey for Naija that time. When we say our papa maybe they not to get. Now our mama now they go market, go hustle, do everything. Now they go provide food when they go chop, do everything for house. The man maybe not get work or not get opportunity. Not beside the same house, not be the woman there with the man, not be they provide, they give everything to the children. He go come abandon the children and say, as the man not get, the woman will still struggle how he go fit take meet up when the children go take eat that day when it be say the children not go die for hungry. Sometimes some women I will see when husband and wife they fight, you know one think of the man, but first, because you know why include the man join now. If they hustle how the children go fit take chop first, because now the children first now you go think of now so every normal woman till they think. Even even these crazy people self, we see they see am for that Nigeria as a whole. When they were born, when they will get belle that time, we know who give them belle. When they were born, all right though, they will want collect the children for their hand. No, they see at that time. Then go drag, use their last power. Use every power, every strength when they get. They know we won't leave that picking. They no want leave that picking. And they know quite okay, say they no fit provide for that picking. They be crazy people, they don't get house, they don't get food, they don't get anywhere. But they go still draw, follow that picking. They go still they drag, follow that picking. That is the love that a mother is supposed to have for their children. Because God creates that love. We get extra bound with that with our children, and so God take create am naturally. Why you see say children when be say they don't grow now their mother, most of them they close to. Even when you be man and woman, their mama, they know most of them know they take and play. I never see they already, because they mostly they show appreciation. Those things when their mama do, when be say even when things not there where their mama they try by all means to provide for them. They see everything, but when they can't grow, they will come they show that appreciation. That is how a mother is supposed to be. The man supposed to provide for the children, but if the man not can get opportunity, say now me I can't get opportunity pass, I go leave the children like that, make them they suffer. I'll say because say now the man responsibility. No mama when head correct go fit do that one. Now we they talk true. What if Vera do? You not do and for people to tell and say this thing what you not do. At least maybe Nana is not too late. You can still retrace your step. To tell and say this one they do, you not do away. Leave the man aside. We are not talking of the man here now. Carry your children, draw them near body. Do this more on your feet do. Make them understand say na so your hand reach. And they go see and say na so you fit do. Una they support and they tell and say he do away. Say na the man responsibility. As if people when they tell all these people whether they go fit do their own children like that. Una go fit do una own children like that. Give example. Can you do your children like that? If Vera get this kind of mind, they do these children like this. That means say that Germany when they now all those children when you get now because of the benefit when they get from them. That benefit when they get from them, maybe now make can like them. That if the occasion warrant, if you still abandon them, maybe something can't do now. It can't be saying America she can't land. They can't be saying they know they get benefit for those children. If you still abandon them, because I see no reason. Because as you take born those children, now so you take born those this one when they for Africa, those one when they for Germany. Now their papa now they provide for them. Not be benefit, not be government they provide for them. Now their papa now they provide for those children. Just as those one when they for Africa when we say their papa not provide for them the way we supposed. Now so those one when they for Germany, they know they feel they provide. But you draw those children near body. Why? Because you they get benefit from them. Let's call a spade a spade. When people try they talk things the way be make people know they sentimental for some issues. How woman go born find children like this? See where they live. The place when I look for the video when the thing really touch me, I say I will chook mouth for this something. I will talk for this something because one person they go wrong way. Now person I go tell and say this one they do so, it no good. Now person they tell person say this one they do so, it no good. Now the wrong step now you they take. When I see where those children they stay, it be like where they put foul. It be like where they put foul. I said these children they are mad there for abroad. These children you don't know what thing they will be tomorrow. You don't know what future hold for those children. You don't know. You not be God. You not be God. Goodluck Jonathan was once our president. That man talk the way he take grow up. From one house boy to another. To the extent if you talk say you know they wear shoe. From one house boy to another and he take suffer. At the end of the day, okay, destiny still take his course. Waiting God say go be for life. Now he still be. So those children, you don't know waiting God say they will be for life. I don't want tomorrow say things will change tomorrow. Because now only God know the future. We don't know. Me, I don't know. You don't know. Things will change tomorrow. Now you're concerned. They'll constantly social media say, hey, I beg, help me beg my children. May them forgive, may them forgive and forget. To forgive is human. To this is that. People will come they talk to the children that time. Forgive her no matter what. Your mama na your mama. There is nothing like mother. But the people when it's supposed to correct the Vera say what thing they do now, it not doing well. When they say they hold their pikin for under belly, but they tell another person say make you abandon your own pikin. They encourage them. They tell and say he doing well. They encourage and tell and say he doing well. My people, I know understand. I don't understand at all the matter. It get as it be me. I not just understand. But me personally, I not support better say go abandon children for Africa. Then go they do madam for here. They go fine. Ready put gongo, not gongo for They for social media they follow everybody. They make wahala. Or agbe no rieko or agbe no keko day. Where your children day for day they suffer the language. Children are the pride of parents. Anything when me, when they hear, anything when I get for this world now, without say children, no, they not complete for me. Now they be my pride. Now that be my pride. Why your husband is your crown? That is how a reasonable woman should think. For you supporting Vera, say as he leave those children, say he do and when we say Vera get more opportunity to take care of that man, and I'm not quite okay, say that man no go fit take care of that children. That means you when they talk, you go fit still do if you get the opportunity. If those children be say that they pay them benefit or you get anything when they collect from those children, or you get one thing all these children they bring on life. You think say Vera will leave all those children talk say because he don't like that man, then everything when concern them, he don't wash his hand come out. People when they support Vera, make una they talk through. Una try they talk through the way things be. Make una try, make una they talk am. Make una know they clap hand for bad thing. Why not pay Vera here wo? Because at the end of the day, Vera don't they regret this something. People when you talk, all of them they go enter inside hole. You know go see them again, and they go still turn around. Forgive your mama. There is nothing like mother. Not the person carry person for belly, not be that one they call mama. If you be say Vera they do this thing, if you be say not be a mistake, yes, let people tell her say this one they do is wrong. Not you telling Vera say he abandon children when you say now she get more opportunity to take care, he get opportunity pass that man. All of us know. If we know, except when one just laugh the man say no fit take care of children. We know say no fit take care of children. Say he no get opportunity when Vera get. Una they clap and put. Una when they clap and they support Vera. Una hold our own children. Una hold our own children. Most of una not there when be say na go carry on our children come from abroad. Una don't marry for here. One are not abandon now. Most of una there when carry on our children come from abroad, come join our family, or come join our husband for here. Then but now they support Vera say make he abandon it because he don't get that family for Germany. Nobody is talking of the man here. We not say make Vera carry the man come abroad or make Vera provide for the man. We are talking of provide for the children first. If you don't feel carry them come abroad for here, at least first give them food. Now food be see where they make I show now the video. I know say most of them go don't see. But me I still show now.
How you gonna live?
Sure. Una see the place. It be like where they put for. I even hear fowl they shout for themselves. But then where they put fowl near them and they put them. Me I don't know because I hear fowl they make a for them. Make una try. Make una to make this world a better place. If una see things when not good, make una try correct that something. Una not they call black white or black white black. Make una tell Vera say what they do. It not good. Make it try take care of those children. Even though say Vera self say. As it be say na presenter it be na YouTuber na presenter say these children not be in own children. Say na another person person can carry this kind thing come social media. He can see this kind thing with the way they see those children and the way that they live and the situation. Everybody say education I be the key now. Common school they know they go. You not go help them. You not go find way to take pass message across for people to join hand to take help those children. Talk less of your own children. Then people still they support and say it don't well. I beg my people. I beg. Now here I go round up my video. May I not come do and pass. I not come talk past the way where I supposed talk. Now here I will fit talk rich. So I don't know how you see the matter. Anything when you talk. When you see for this matter, when you want talk or what you know agree, you get your own contribution when you want. Just leave your comment below at the comment section. When I say leave your comment below at the comment section, I not say leave insult below at the comment section. Because nobody go come here now, come they curse me, come they talk insult or come they talk another thing when not concern this matter. If you insult me, I will insult you too. Because my blood now they flow from my body. If you insult me, I insult you. If I insult you finish, I will block you. So just leave your reasonable comment. Just as me I say talk, just to talk your own, my people. If you agree or if you don't agree. So now here I will round up my video today, my people. So I hope to see you on my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.